What's up, YouTube? Thank you for viewing. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe and share my account. So what we're going to do today is we're going to get into wrapping your hair. So we're going to start on one side and then you're going to flip one side over completely across the top. Almost like your head is a big roller. And this always works best when your hair is curled and not bone straight, because then the hair can actually curl around the hair. And then when you take it down, then, it'll be nice and smooth and bumped under with some body and some volume. So I'm going to let you view the back. You're going to take this back quarter. Don't mind that beep, that's my phone. But take that back quarter and flip it around the part that's already been smoothed over. You can put your hand in the middle, because it keeps it from moving over on the hair and getting all out of place, and then you got to take it down and start over again. So try to keep your hand there in the middle. See how I'm putting it back in the middle to keep it in place, like so. And some people like to put a roller in the middle. I know that was like real old school, but if you want that volume in the middle, put that roller back up in the top, wrap the rest around it, and you're good to go. I know a lot of people struggle with wrapping hair. You're also going to use the paddle brush. And there we go. I mean, as simple as that. You can get a little oil, smooth it on around. Also, when I take the hair down, I like to put oil on it too before I take it down. This is her scarf. She always comes in with her scarf, y'all. She's like, I'm going back to bed. Just put my scarf on. Wrap your silk or satin scarf around your head, like so. However it works for you. You can do it from the front to the back to the front. Doesn't really matter. And tie it on securely. Tuck in that tag, because she's about to walk out here. I don't want her looking crazy. And she's ready to go. And that's it. Thank you.